Hi, my name is Dr. Sally Kashani. I'd like to introduce myself and invite you to one of the soft tissue management courses that I teach for DenMat. In this course, you will learn all about soft tissue management, how to increase your production in your hygiene department, as well as really treating your patients the correct way when it comes to soft tissue management. We'll talk about new technologies, such as oral cancer screening. We'll talk about lasers, medications. You'll really be able to up your practice in terms of technology. It is a full-day course with your staff, a lot of fun, bring everyone. It is 7 CE credits. Please go to denmat.com to register, and I promise you that it will change your practice. I took the same course before I started teaching it, and it turned around my hygiene program, made a huge difference in my practice, and I promise it will do the same for yours. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you soon.